Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope we're doing great. I hope we're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be making my green juice. It's been a long time since I made it. I haven't had green juice in 1 week, which is a long time for me to go without having any grains in the form of juices. And so I decided I was going to make it today. And then in place of, usually I would use green apples, but I do not have any apple left. I have just this one left over, so I'm going to be using it. I'm using this is 2.5 pounds of celery, the big bag I got from Costco, 2.5 pounds. And also I have organic spinach. This is organic spinach. This organic spinach is 1 pound, right? Here I have some beet leaves. So I made some golden beet juice for brain fog for a friend who is writing his comprehensive exam. I just made it. This is it. And so because he doesn't like to see green, he doesn't want anything green, I had to take off the leaves. And instead of trashing the leaves, because if I was making it for myself, I would include the leaf from the beet. I decided to add it to my green juice since I'm making green juice. I mean, why not? So let's just get right into this recipe. So I'm just going to go ahead, chop up my celery, put it in. I haven't tried putting it in. I'm always for help your juicer. Don't stress it, so it can last longer. Now the pineapple is also going to help the taste a bit. So if you struggle with the color, I promise you this doesn't taste bad at all. If you struggle with the color because it is green, like Henry, my friend, you can just add pineapples or add green apples, and that would water down the taste of the celery and the spinach. So ordinarily I should have actually gone in with my greens first, but let's just peel our pineapples. Yeah, I forgot to add, I'll be adding in this little turmeric. Why not? So now I'm going to go in with my beet leaf. I have some lemons which I'm not going to be peeling. Just looking to see that it's not stuck. Okay, we are good. Now real quick, this particular juice, it's filled with nutrients that support detoxification, digestion and hydration, thanks to the celery's electrolytes and the digestive enzymes from the pineapples. This juice will boost immunity with vitamin C from the lemons and pineapples, while the spinach provides antioxidants that enhance heart health and circulation. The combination also promotes a radiant skin, energy, and mental clarity. It reduces brain fog. This is one of the great things I love about this particular juice. The juice is refreshing and it's a great way to nourish your body, improve your gut health, improve your skin, and also maintain overall wellness. For this batch, I got 5 16 ounces mason jars, 3 of which will be going in the fridge, and so I filled it to the top to reduce oxidation. While for the 2 jars that will be going into the freezer, I did not fill it to the top. If you are going to do this, make sure you use a freezer friendly mason jar. Alright, guys. Love you. See you in the next one. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.